Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Fluxer. Sometimes people decide to delete their account because they're switching to another platform, cleaning up old accounts, or simply taking a break from community apps. Whatever your reason is, Fluxer gives you the option to permanently remove your account through the settings menu. Now to start, you want to open your Fluxer and log into the account you want to delete. Once you're inside the app, you want to click your profile icon at the bottom, then go to Edit Profile. Now, this is usually where you can manage your personal information, privacy settings, and account options. Now, inside, you want to click on Security and Login. This is where you'll find options related to your login details, security settings, and account management. You want to scroll through this section until you see the option to delete your account at the very bottom. Now, when you select this option, Fluxer will usually ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is important because deleting your account is permanent. And once the process is completed, your profile, messages, and personal data connected to that account may be removed from the platform. So before you go through with this, it's a good idea to make sure you've saved anything important like files or information from conversations, since you might not be able to recover them afterward. And that's basically how you delete your Fluxer account. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!